I will show you how to create this stylish resume without using any templates. Let's get started. Open Canva and then search resume in search section. Click on create a blank resume, and it will provide you with a blank resume with the correct size. First, go to the elements section and search for shapes in the search bar. And choose rectangle shape. And adjust this rectangle shape like I am doing right now. Yeah, perfect. Now, click on color and change it. Choose gradient colors, then select two colors, one lighter orange and the other lighter blue. Confirm it. Yeah, perfect, just like this. After that, choose the gradient color style. Select the one I'm choosing right now. Go to text and add a heading. Write a name in it, like I'm writing Robert as an example. Go to fonts and choose the font named Anton. This font is mostly used in business designs. Now adjust the size of the text to match what I'm doing right now. After that, click on color and change its color to white. Now, click on effect and choose lift effect. Increase its intensity as well to give shadow to our text and make it more visible. After that, go to elements and take a rectangle shape. Adjust it like I'm doing, very precisely. Now click on this rectangle, go to colors, and choose black. Now go to text and choose the second one. Yeah, this one. Now edit this with a surname, whatever yours is. Like I'm writing Williams as an example. Adjust this text where I am adjusting it right now, very precisely. Then go to colors and select white color, yeah, like this. And change this text as well to Lotto. I'm providing the name on the screen as well. After that, go to elements and choose this shape. Adjust it very precisely onto this shape. Now go to color and change this shape's color to white. Add another shape like this. First, go to colors and choose black this time. Adjust it on the same spot and very precisely, like what I'm doing right now. This method gives a very good design, like we have a hole in the shape. Now in the elements search section, write the arrow and choose this one. Now adjust this arrow on this shape and also change the arrow color to white. After that, search for line in the elements section and press enter. Find arrow and choose this one. Now, after selecting it, I will adjust it there. Then, go to edit image and crop this shape. It will fit onto your shape. Go to text and choose the third one. Edit this with your desired job position in the company, like I'm writing director designer. After that, choose a rectangle shape in the elements and adjust it like I'm doing right now. Now, choose a lighter gray color so it looks like this. Now, take another rectangle shape and change its color. Adjust it in design. After that, duplicate the rectangle shape and adjust it within this shape. Change its color to lighter gray. Yeah, perfect. Now, go to text and select this one. Edit it with Word P. Now, take another heading and write your business phone number, whatever your number is. Like I'm writing now, and adjust it in front of your P word. Now write the letter E and adjust it where I'm adjusting it right now. Then select another text and edit it with your business email. In the elements section, take another rectangle shape and adjust it in the center of the design. Now change its color to black. After that, duplicate this rectangle shape, change its color to lighter gray, and adjust it perfectly. This will create a border design. After that, go to the elements section and search for picture frames. Select this one and adjust it right here. Go to the elements section again and search for men. Pick one or choose your picture, whatever you want. For example, I'm picking this one and then I will put it in the picture frame. After that, take another heading and edit it with your degree, whatever your degree is. For example, I'm writing BFA in graphic design. Adjust it to the right side of the picture. And take another heading, this time the third one, and write the years when you started and ended your degree. After that, take another heading and write your university, like I'm writing Oxford University. Yeah, perfect. Now, after that, I will add another degree, like I'm writing BSD in graphic design. Same as before, write the years when you started and ended. After that, take a heading and write your university name as well, like I'm writing Oxford University. Remember to always write your study years or job details perfectly. After that, go to the Elements section and search for Table. It will provide you with a table graph where we will write our skills, listing the skills we have. After changing its color, search for Paper in the Elements section and adjust it very precisely, like I'm doing right now. Then, take the table graph and bring it to the front of the paper, adjusting it on the paper. Now, take each heading one by one and write your skills with numbering, like what I'm doing right now. Write your skills. Now, take another rectangle shape and adjust it like this. Choose this gradient color. After that, take a line from the Elements section and adjust it, changing its color to white. Then, take a heading and write Work Experience. After that, write your job experience in years, like I'm writing Assistant Designer and its years. Then I'm writing Designer and its years. You can write your job experiences according to your preferences like this. Now, take another heading and write Languages. Adjust it, and I will write English. Then, add a line. After that, I will take another heading and write Spanish. Then, I will add my English or Spanish level with these black dots. The black dots represent the level of proficiency. If English is your very good, add more black dots and one white according to your preferences. Do the same in Spanish language. Yeah, perfect. Lastly, I will search for a star and choose this one, then change its color to a white and black gradient. Yeah, perfect. Our one-page resume is complete. Let's move on to the second page. Add a new page with this option. Now you have a new fresh page. Now, take another rectangle shape and adjust it at the top. Go to Colors and change its color to the previous gradient color. After that, go to Elements and search for Star. Take the previous star and change its color to black and gray. Now, take headings and write Robert and edit it like we did on the first page. After that, take another heading and write Williams and adjust both very perfectly like that. After that, take this shape from the Elements and then change its color and adjust it like we did before to make our whole design. Do the same, take another one and change its color as well, and you can adjust it like that. Bingo! Do the same as we did in the first page. Now, take a line, crop it, and adjust it perfectly. After that, take an arrow from the Elements, and then add a heading. Write Director Designer. Now, take a rectangle shape, adjust it, and add the shape here in a vertical position. Change its color like that. After that, search for Picture Frame and choose this rectangle shape. Make it a little bit vertical and add an image in it very precisely, like that. Now, add a heading and write Contact Me. Then, write your contact information, such as your phone number and your email, just like we did on the first page. Do it perfectly. Just like that, bingo. Now, take another rectangle shape, change its color, and adjust it like I'm doing. Create a design by taking another rectangle shape, changing its color, and then adjusting it on top of the first one. Write your text on it. Go to Elements and find a paper for our cover letter. Write your cover letter according to your own preferences. Like that, guys. Adjust it and write your cover letter very perfectly. Now, take another rectangle shape and adjust it to the left bottom corner. Change its color to light blue and orange, and add a star in it. Bingo, like that. Add a heading and write Sincerely, then change its font and color. Add another heading, write your name like I'm doing, and change its color and effect. Yeah, perfect. Now our design is done. Go to the Share button, export it in JPG format, and download it. Here is our final design of the resume. If you like the design, share it with your family and friends. Also like this video, and subscribe to my channel.